So it's the first time in about 4 months that it hasn't either been really, really cold outside or raining and snowing. We've got good temps today, so we're going to gut the garage.
It's like a catastrophic failure. It's part things we purchased and part a lot of tools.
The garage has been the dumping ground for 4 months. The house is nice and clean. The garage, not so much. We're gonna start out by bagging up all the small items that we need to get painted, and we'll probably paint those at some point today and get them to the shop. But we've got to get all of this out. We're just gonna completely start over and just put this all in the driveway and see where we're at the end of the day. So back about last October, I had this area cleared out. It was intended to be a spray booth. I just hung tarps from the top shelf, and back here is hiding a bunch of old windows and treasures that we haven't even seen in 6 months and forgotten about.
What's hiding? Nobody knows.
Good wood pile. Getting better. We've got quite a bit of room. This side has been stacked with all the tools that we found variously strewn through the stuff. So we got to go through that still, but getting there. We've got quite a few large pieces of furniture that need dusted off. They've all got like this fun film from spraying other paint, sanding lots of things, and building farm tables, stuff like that. So we're gonna get them cleaned off, move them back inside where we can spray them, and then get this cleaned up before, hopefully for tonight. We're just gonna make an assembly line and spray everything white in apothecary and take it to the shop.
We're gonna do about 2 rounds of sprayed goods where we're just gonna spray all the stuff white, and then we'll distress it and seal it. And then whatever we don't get to today, we'll organize and we'll do another day of spraying smalls and hopefully get through a lot of what's in the garage. Realistically, there's no way we could get it all done in one day, so we're just gonna do what we can in a couple of hours and then call it good, move it in, and deal with the rest another day. So I'm gonna grab my mask, and then we're gonna spray this all with DIY White Swan. The great thing with DIY paint is minimal prep is needed. We've sprayed and wiped everything down, and we're just gonna give it a coat with this, and then it'll be ready for distress and sealing. Also, we'll drop playlist in the links below, so that way you can see other videos with more detail about spraying furniture and decor. So most of these items are picked from $1 to $5, and resale value is between $10 and $20 depending on the actual item. This is taking a little longer. We're gonna let this dry, then we'll get distressing, and then we'll break things up into what's gonna be spray sealed and what's gonna be waxed, and then we'll move everything back in to paint another day. So right now I've got a damp rag and I'm just wet distressing this. You wouldn't want to use a orbital sander on this, especially this wicker part and the metal front. So a wet paper towel or a wet rag, we'll just pull the paint off there and distress it and bring that yellow back through and give it a fun aged look.
So this stuff is getting sealed with Sweet Pickins top coat. We're gonna spray that with the Central Pneumatic HVLP. This has all been wet distressed, so that is all done from Jamie. And then she's over here while I'm sealing using the random orbital sander to do these bigger items here. They're easier to hit with the sander and that'll go real quick and we won't have to worry about wet distressing those ones.
This is our first wave of whites. They're all dry, so we're gonna box them up, move them around the side of the house, and then we'll start painting things apothecary. We didn't get the whole garage done, but we did get a ton of projects complete. I apologize in advance for not having our normal pretty staged picture, but it's pretty overwhelming the amount of stuff that we accomplished. So Zeb will try and show you what we have done. We still have a few more things to distress and seal, and then next color is going to be black.
So a lot of these things you've already seen in our live videos where we go thrifting on Saturday nights, but there's a lot to get done. It always looks different when it's finished. If you stay tuned, we're gonna continue working on this throughout the week, and we're gonna have more videos on this, and probably a full video of us restocking the shop with these items. I know it looks like a lot of White Swan and Apothecary, because it is, but they're not all going in at the same time. We'll stage them in and layer them in as things sell.
Also, be sure to check out our Wednesday live and hold us accountable. Ask for an update on the garage, and we'll show it to you. If you want to achieve a similar look and you need to clean out your garage fast, a product that's going to help you paint with minimal prep, go to jamirayvintage.com. You're looking for DIY White Swan, Apothecary, sealed with top coat and clear wax. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.